Hey there, YouTubers. Greg Stevens here, coming to you with CashierGreens.com. Today we're going to be doing some fall propagation of some of our clematises. I'm getting a late bloom here with some of the taiga clematis, which usually have a lot more purple in them, but I don't know why. They're just kind of whitish with a little tinge of purple in them today, but it's a beautiful, beautiful clematis. What we're going to be doing today is propagating some seeds from our fall collection and putting them in the pot so that we can winterize them. I'll show you how we're going to do this. Be right back. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to go through and harvest some of our seeds that we have left over from our clematis. I've already harvested most of them, so I'm just going to show you what they look like. There's two different kinds of seeds that we're looking for. And if you look at these, try to zoom in here, you'll see nice seeds here at the bottom. These are pollinated and fertile seeds. And now I'll show you some seeds that are not pollinated and have not been fertilized. Now as you can see, these are real tiny little things. These don't have a mature seed on the bottom of them because they were not pollinated. They didn't go to full term, even though they're all dried out. They just are not going to grow. So these we don't want. We're just going to throw those away. Here's some more good seeds. These are viable. You see they got the big seed in them. This is a good seed. We just have to identify which plant this came from. See the bigger seeds there? Those are good seeds. That's what we're looking for. Okay, what we're going to do now, hopefully you can see this, not too much sunlight. We're going to take one of our 72 cell seed trays. We're going to fill this up with a mix of some compost, some sand, and some potting soil. We're going to get these all nice and even. Do this fast so we won't take up a lot of time. Now with your clematis seeds, they must be strategized. They have to sit out in the cold weather for a period of about 3 months. So what we're going to do, rather than put them in the refrigerator or just leave the seeds outside, we're going to actually plant them now, and then we're going to water them down, let them sit outside all winter, let them cover with snow. I'm not going to cover them, just going to let them sit out there in the open, and probably March or April we'll start to see some little clematis seeds come out. And these clematises are just a wonderful, wonderful plant to grow in your garden or over trellises and fences. And you can sell these. I've bought many clematises online, had some success with all of the clematises that I received. However, a lot of people are out there selling those seeds that I showed you that are not fertilized, they're not viable, and those did not germinate. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant some good seeds here today. Okay, I'm going to come right back. I'm going to clean my seeds up and get ready to plant them. Okay, now what I'm going to do is remove these little wings off these things, off these seeds, till I get down to a seed that looks just like this. We're going to stick this in one of the cells. Just bury it down about 1/4 inch deep, cover it up like that, okay? It's a little tedious. It's a little bit of work involved to get the seeds cleaned off. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll come back to you guys after I'm done, okay? All right, we've got all of our seeds in the seed trays right now. What we're going to do is we're just going to push them down a little bit, tuck them in, and then I'm going to cover them with a light layer of the media soil here. Just tuck them in like that so they don't wash away. I put 2 to 3 seeds in each cell to guarantee a better success rate. You never know with clematis seeds how many of these things are going to root and how many of them aren't. We're just going to tuck them in like that. Real quick, no big deal. All right, we got them in there. Now we're just going to take some of our soil mix here. Just lightly sprinkle them over just like that. Now, I'm going to post the pictures, which you probably see as I'm making this video, of what clematis that we are propagating here. Just tap it in. And that's it. Now we're going to water them, okay? And then we're going to put them in the back. All right, we're going to just water these in lightly. And then we're done until spring. Just going to give them a good watering, soak it through good. Bingo. That's all there is to it. All right, let's go tuck them in the back where we're going to put them at. Okay, here we are, guys. We got the clematis seeds all tucked in and watered. We're just going to set them back here by the Wiki Grow system. And this is going to be snowed on, left all winter, sub-zero weather. And in March, April, we're going to do a follow-up on these, and we'll show you how many of these little clematis seeds germinated. So until then, we'll see you later. And I'll follow up with some more information here for you on the clematises. Show you some pictures of what the parents looked like that these seeds were propagated from. Okay guys, we're about wrapping up this video, but before we do, I just want to let you know that there are 12 different classification groups of clematises. There's a lot to learn. And if you're interested in learning more about clematises, leave me a message below and I'll see what I can do. I do have some sweet autumns in stock. Enjoy your videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We have a saying here at CashYourGreens.com, grow big, grow green, or go home. Peace out, guys. Later.